Hey there, creative minds. Welcome back to Homespot, your go-to place for turning everyday trash into garden treasure. Today, we're diving into 19 jaw-dropping ways to transform forgotten junk into stunning garden decor. From rusty relics to retro tech, you'll see how anything can become a masterpiece with a little imagination. Stick around until the end. Let's get our hands dirty and unleash the magic of upcycling. Transform discarded bicycle wheels into a rustic climbing frame for ivy or sweet peas. Anchor two wheels vertically to wooden stakes, letting plants weave through spokes for a dynamic, industrial meets natural look. Perfect for small gardens, this project celebrates weathered textures while hiding unsightly walls or fences. As vines grow, the structure evolves into a living sculpture. While the bicycle wheel tackles vertical space, tiny treasures like cracked teacups shine as tabletop gems. Fill them with drought-tolerant succulents and pebbles for a whimsical display. Cluster mismatched cups on a windowsill or tree stump, pairing delicate floral patterns with rugged moss accents, a charming contrast between fragility and resilience. From delicate teacups to rugged tire rims, stack 3 to 4 blackened rims into a circular fire pit. Their hollow centers create natural airflow, while the heat-resistant metal withstands roaring flames. Surround with gravel and logs seating for a cozy, industrial gathering spot. Embers glowing against the textured metal evoke campfire nostalgia in your backyard. After sunset by the fire pit, shift focus to daylight projects. Upcycle pallets into space-saving vertical gardens by stapling landscape fabric to slats and stuffing pockets with soil. Plant herbs like thyme or trailing nasturtiums for a living tapestry effect. Lean it against a sunny wall to turn clutter into lush greenery. When pallet planters feel too structured, embrace chaos with shattered terracotta. Arrange jagged pot pieces into tiers, using curved shards as bridges or caves. Add miniature furniture, moss, and fairy lights for storytelling magic. This project turns accidents into art, proving even flaws can foster beauty. Like the fairy garden's whimsy, retro colanders add playful charm. Drill drainage holes, line with coconut core, and hang with chains. Plant trailing lobelia or strawberries. Their perforated sides ensure healthy roots. The patinated metal contrasts with vibrant blooms, creating eye-catching kinetic decor that sways gently in the breeze. For heavier plants, stack vintage drawers into a cascading planter. Paint them pastel or leave peeling paint for shabby chic character. Fill deeper drawers with tomatoes and shallow ones with marigolds. The staggered design adds height to patios, echoing the verticality of the pallet wall but with a cottagecore twist. Old tools from the shed? Forge a functional gate using shovel handles as vertical posts and rake heads as horizontal braces. Weld or wire them together, letting rusted textures blend with climbing beans or morning glories. It's a witty nod to gardening history, turning retired implements into a portal to your green sanctuary. After building the gate, craft a practical companion, a DIY watering can. Cut the jug's handle, poke holes in the lid, and decorate with paint. Its lightweight design is ideal for gentle seedling showers. Place it near the fairy garden or vertical herbs for a zero-waste watering solution. End the day by repurposing a broken chandelier into solar-powered ambience. Remove wiring, then clip solar fairy lights to its arms. Hang it above a seating area where prismatic crystals catch daylight and glow softly at night. A bridge between the tire fire pit's warmth and the fairy garden's twinkle. After illuminating the garden with the chandelier's soft glow, guide guests with tin can lanterns. Punch star and moon patterns into recycled cans, fill them with flickering tea lights, and line them along garden paths. The perforated metal casts playful shadows on stones, blending rustic charm with celestial whimsy, ideal for evening strolls or alfresco dinners. For travelers at heart, repurpose a weathered leather suitcase into a mobile flower bed. Drill drainage holes, layer with gravel and soil, then plant trailing ivy and pansies. Place it atop an old trunk or bench, evoking nostalgic adventures while adding height and texture to garden corners. Pair the suitcase's wanderlust with a kitchen garden's practicality. Slice wine corks in half, carve herb names into the flat side, and stake them into pots. These earthy labels age gracefully alongside your basil and rosemary, marrying vineyard nostalgia with garden functionality. Fill old boots with petunias or daisies, letting their bright colors pop against fences or shed walls. Lean them haphazardly for a carefree vibe, as if a gardener just kicked them off mid-task, a celebration of imperfection. Elevate the boot planter's whimsy with a reclaimed wooden ladder. Sand its rungs and arrange potted ferns or trailing pothos on each step. The tiered design draws the eye upward, perfect for compact spaces, while weathered wood harmonizes with the suitcase planter's vintage appeal. From the ladder's verticality to ground-level artistry, berry glass bottles neck down to border flower beds. Sunlight refracts through blue and green glass, creating jewel-toned accents that shimmer after rain. This eco-friendly alternative to plastic edging pairs beautifully with the tin lantern's nighttime glow. Let the bottle borders sparkle lead to a grand focal point, an ornate iron bed headboard repurposed as a rose trellis. Train climbing blooms like clematis or jasmine through its scrollwork, blending Victorian romance with garden grit. Anchor it near a bench for a dreamy reading nook. As roses climb the headboard by day, Coil springs ignite ambience by night. Nestle candles into old bed springs, letting wax drip organically down the spirals. Their industrial edge contrasts with the trellis's elegance, perfect for moody evenings by the tire rim fire pit. Close the cycle with a seedling sanctuary built from discarded windows. Angle panes into a peaked roof, securing them to a wooden frame. Inside, tender sprouts bask in filtered light, a full circle moment where junk nurtures new growth, echoing the entire upcycling journey. And there you have it, 19 proof that one person's trash truly is another's garden gold. Whether you've built a chandelier light fixture or a whimsical fairy garden, remember, sustainability starts with creativity. Don't forget to smash that like button if you felt inspired, subscribe for more thrifty DIYs, and comment below telling us which idea you're trying first. Share your before and after pics with hashtag HomespotGems. We might feature you in our next video. Until then, keep repurposing, keep growing, and let's make the world greener, one upcycle at a time. Catch you in the next adventure.